Welcome to this course. First, I will introduce myself. My name is Alia and I will teach you in this course how to be a fashion designer without sieving. In the first section, you will learn step by step how to become a fashion designer. In the second section, you will learn how to start a business as a fashion designing. There are some steps you can see. In the third section, I will teach you how to be a fashion designer. There are some helpful articles you can read. And in the fourth section, you will learn how to be a designer. Learning about design, developing your design skills, selling your design, and tips are also included. And in the fifth section, I will teach you how to organize a fashion show. There are some helpful articles. And in the sixth section, how to become a fashion consultant, I will teach you step by step, completing your education, gaining experience, advancing in the fashion industry. And in the last section, you can see the helpful articles, for example, how to start a fashion show and how to be an expert in fashion. There are some lectures you can see. In the end of this course, you will be able to learn how to be a fashion designer, how to start a business, how to be a fashion designer, and how to be a designer, how to organize a fashion show, and how to become a fashion consultant. And in the last, you will learn how to start a fashion show. So let's get started.